Hey guys, Mama Mita here. And now today I'm out car camping and I just thought I would share with you about saving coins. You know, I'm really into saving coins. Every time I find coins on the floor, I pick them up, you know, because that's money. I mean, I went to dumpsters before when I lived in apartment stuff, and I would I was horrified by like, who throws away money? Oh my goodness. They did not want to roll the coins up, and they had stuck them in a bag, you know, and the bag had broke, and it was like they didn't want to pick them up, and it was more than $20 worth of coins and stuff, and they just left them there. I'm like, whoa, I'll take that. So I took it back, you know, and I rolled them and I took them down the bank and got money for them. Yay. You know what they say, a penny saved is a penny made. You know, when we were kids growing up and we found a little penny, and we would say, oh, that's a lucky penny because I found a penny. We'd put it in our left shoe and we'd walk around all day long so that we could get luck, you know? We wanted luck. Well, the thing is, I don't do that anymore because I got orthotics now. But you know, let me tell you something. There was a guy that trained these birds, these crows, in New York, and he trained them to pick up coins by giving them like little treats and stuff, peanuts and, you know, crackers, whatever. But he trained them, and these birds started bringing back a lot of coins because the birds multiplied, and they all wanted to get treats, and pretty soon this guy was making a ton of money. One guy made so much money off of birds and stuff that he actually quit his job. I'm like, oh boy, yeah, maybe I've been thinking about that all morning about these birds. There's so many seagulls and crows here at this Safeway, and I'm thinking, oh, you know, I can get me a nice little house, a small little house above this hill, and teach these birds to come and bring me some coins. Man, I could make some money, right? You know, and then I would be taking it over to where? Well, let me tell you. I got these pill bottles, you know, that I get with medication. So I'm going to find where I put, over here. And so I save these pill bottles, right? And so I've got about 30 or 40 of these things. And I keep a couple of them in my person too. But when they get heavy and I'm on carpet camping trips and stuff and they get pretty heavy, I just take them into Coinstar. Now, I don't know if you know about that, but it's a big machine that they usually have at like the Walmart, Winco, and Safeway and stuff like that. And you take them in and you don't even have to sort these coins. You just have to pick them up, put them in a little bottle, or put them in a plastic bag and take them down there and dump them in, and it counts them up for you, and then you push the button, it says I'm done. They print you out a little ticket. Cashier will give you your money for your little ticket. How about that? And you get all those coins. Now, if you don't want to do that, then you can save them all up. You know, get the kids to pick them up too every time and bring them home and put them in there and say, hey, well, you don't have to reward them with cookies. Don't do that. But just tell them you'll buy something special with all the coins you get. Well, really, you will be buying something special. Believe me, you will be. Okay, and so then once you get them, see, this is what I did here. Just a second here. And then what you would do, you could take them, you know, the Coinstar. Got that down. And if you didn't want to take them to Coinstar, then you could take them to your bank. Your bank could do that too, and they don't charge you money. Now, Coinstar does charge you a little bit of money, not much, you know. I mean, big deal. They took care of all the coins. You don't have to roll them. You don't have to do nothing. If you want to go to the bank, then go to the bank. The other thing, if you don't want to go to the bank, you don't want to go to the Coinstar, well, guess what? If you're just having a frustrating day, then take a few of these and go to the self-checkout and put them through the self-checkout. I thought about doing that at Walmart. They make me so darn mad down there at Walmart sometimes. I told my husband that, and he started laughing. Now, that's a good one. Yeah, it is. When you're frustrated, put some coins in the self-checkout. Well, today I took some because the bag was getting heavy, right? So I took some down. I just took like 3 of these little things. And I got $5.95. So between $5.95 and this one, that's meals today. That's my lunch and my dinner right there. So there you go. Now, you guys, if you've enjoyed this video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, please do. Thank you, guys. Bye now.